In this quick video, I'll show you how to swap clips on the timeline in DaVinci Resolve. So, I've added a few clips to the timeline, and I want to swap the position of 2 clips. The basic way is to just drag one clip and drop it where the other one is. DaVinci will shift the rest of the timeline accordingly. But there's a faster and more precise method using built-in tools. First, select the clip you want to move. Then go to the Edit menu at the top, scroll down to Swap Clips, and choose either Swap Clip towards left or Swap Clip towards right. Or, use the keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl-Shift- to swap the selected clip with the clip to the right. Press Ctrl-Shift- to swap it with the clip to the left. This is super helpful when you're fine-tuning your timeline layout. You can even swap multiple clips at once. Just select a group of clips and use the same shortcuts to move them together, either left or right, depending on which direction you need.